Welcome! In front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch GTX and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the screen timeout duration on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the MOBVOI application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the MOBVOI application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app by tapping on the icon. After you open the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon, and here you should see your TicWatch GTX on the device page. Now tap on the more features option, and here you have screen light up duration option. Tap on it and select one of the durations. We have 5 seconds, 10 seconds and 15 seconds. I'm gonna select 10 seconds, wait until it's done applying, and now we can close the app. And now when I wake up the screen on the watch and stop using the watch, the screen should turn off automatically after 10 seconds of an activity. Like this. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.